All right, everybody, how are you? Welcome to another day trading with the team. Today, I am going to show you everything we're doing today with the F1 strategy group. Starting with the F1 charts, right? The F1 strategy, if you don't know, is a semi-automated trading strategy that basically aims to monetize on the strength of a market. We are looking for markets that close extremely bullish or extremely bearish the previous day and try to monetize on the continuation of said strength, right? It's pretty accurate, and if you are looking for a semi-automated set of rules or a semi-automated trading strategy that you can apply to any market, then have a look at this video because it's going to blow your mind, right? Now let's go to the charts, and yeah, I'm going to put my um, my camera here at this corner because it's important for you to look at what I'm going to say. Right, so basically this is what I do. I go through market to market, and the first market that I found a possible F1 strategy setup would be here on the US dollar Canadian dollar, right? But I'm going to start with the US dollar Japanese yen, which is the one that I am trading today with the F1 strategy. Now, if you look yesterday, we had a very, very strong close in this market. So we are looking to capitalize on the continuation on the move. So basically, with my oscillator here, we are always looking for true divergence, and you know, we are also looking for the lack of bearish momentum. Now, everything is spot on this setup, and I am placing my buy stops right here above our entry line, which is that red line that you see on my screens. And the F1 strategy gives me the stop loss levels and the entry levels. Very, very simply, we need just to follow those steps in order to trade this amazing 3.1 R setup. Now, the same thing with the Aussie. On the short side, we got that true divergence from yesterday's very strong move, looking for a continuation towards these targets right here. And finally, the Aussie CAD, same thing, very strong close, bearish close. It's not the best setup since we actually closed very, very flat, given the fact that we opened very low, and that's the main reason that I'm trading and only trading today this US dollar Japanese yen. You know, the F1 strategy chat room is pretty active, and we have over 40 members always sharing, and this is a chat room that you can chat with me and the other F1 strategy traders every single day on the setups that we are trading, and you get lifetime access to this chat room whenever you buy the strategy. The link is below if you're interested, and I'll see you guys around.